Okay, so here's a quick video for me to show you what I'm not seeing. So anyways, so like let's say I'm on this one and I wanted to, I wanted to boomerang this one back to me. Oh, okay, there it is. Um, but sometimes I don't see that. Let me try like another one. There it is there. I'm just wondering, is there also like a quicker way? Like, see how long this is taking? Um, it used to be where there was like a boomerang icon in here and I was able to see it. Um, the other thing is like also here, there used to be like a boomerang icon on here, and I would be able to just boomerang it from there. But as you probably know, Hotmail redid some things on here, so it's a little different. But I'm just wondering, like, is there something I could do to activate this where I could boomerang it from here? Okay, so as you see from here, now like I'm in here, and let's say I want to go boomerang it, I gotta do this, and it's just like it takes so long. I'm wondering, like, is there like a quicker way, like there is in Gmail? And then the other thing is in Gmail, like it used to be, they just changed things up too, and they used to have like their buttons here where you could come and like just boomerang it from here. But like now, if I want to boomerang this, I gotta go here. So, anyways, if you could let me know, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.